sit down in the car.
No.
No, ma'am. Stop right now.
No.
Right now. Ma'am, you're going to be put under arrest if you don't start listening, okay?
I can listen to you, but I'm not going to listen to any military policeman.
Turn around.
All right, so who's the Uber
Put your hands
driver?
behind your back. Driver, turn off the vehicle now. Turn it off. Turn off the vehicle now. Turn off the vehicle. Driver, put the keys on top of your car now. Driver, turn off the vehicle. Now.
136 here.
Secure in front of La Quinta.
10-4. Secure in front of La Quinta.
She'll have someone head on the way. She's refusing to comply with my commands.
10-4.
I told her to turn off the car about 3 times now, and she's just sitting there, so I haven't walked up yet. Hey, ma'am, sit down in the car.
No.
No, ma'am. Stop right now.
No.
Right now. Ma'am, you're going to be put under arrest if you don't start listening, okay?
I can listen to you, but I'm not going to listen to any military policeman.
Turn around.
All right, so who's the Uber
Put your hands
driver?
behind your back.
Do not touch my behind. Do not touch my behind.
No one's trying to touch
Do not touch my behind.
Put your hands behind your back.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
You're under arrest. You need to stop fighting.
No.
Get on the ground.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop fighting.
No. You need to stop understanding what the f*** can I not be stand up for f***ing 2 minutes? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hey, this didn't have to be like.
God! Oh my God! You know f***ing what? I f***ing love, you know what?
Don't try to dig your nails in my hand. Alright, you gonna keep doing that? Right.
Yes!
Are we going to talk now?
No!
Alright, well now you're under arrest.
Now you're under arrest.
Search
Oh my f***ing God!
Search her.
No! Ah!
What's your name, sweetie?
Leave me alone, you'll f***ing find out!
Okay.
Ah! 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 I'm a f***ing dancer, I swear to God, if you f***ing cripple me, you're gonna f***ing find out!
Ma'am, it didn't have to be like
You're gonna
this.
f***ing find out!
What kind of dancing do you do?
You're gonna f***ing find out!
I mean, I can really only find that out from you.
Yeah, f***ing right, you will! Stop touching me before I f***ing take a picture with you!
Well, we can all take a picture together if you want.
I can't get their front pockets, but their back pockets are good.
We'll let you.
Like, whose f***ing apartment is this? I want to deliver some f***ing gifts to some f***ing Walmart person! Ah! I don't care if I'm out of control! Stop touching me!
Stop screaming!
Stop touching me then! Stop f***ing touching me!
You need to listen.
No, I cannot
ma'am.
breathe in this angle, unfortunately.
Okay, you want to go on your
You're
stomach?
talking just.
No! Leave me alone! I
You're under,
cannot!
hey, you are under arrest. No one's leaving you alone.
No one's leaving you alone at this point.
Oh my God!
Ma'am,
Can
stop.
you at least get the delivery? Oh my God, they stole the phone! They're so stupid! Ah!
Hey, here's what we're gonna have to ask you at this point. We need to put you in the back of our car. Are we gonna have to carry you, or are you gonna walk?
No, I can walk.
Okay.
Are you going to walk? That's the question.
I can walk and I will walk.
Okay.
Okay. You got it?
I drove you, didn't I?
Well, we don't know what.
No, I'm bringing this.
We'll get it.
I will grab
No,
it. I will
because
grab
you
it.
guys dropped my phone already. You don't give a f about my f***ing heart.
Let's go.
You don't give a f about anything but other than this.
Let's go. Come on.
No! You f***ing expose me in front of everyone. Yes, you do. I can't even take a burst speed.
Sit down.
I can't even take a
Sit
burst
down.
speed.
Sit down.
Ah!
Get in the car.
Great.
She returned photo ID out of Dumbo.
Is that a rental?
No. It's registered to Tyler something out of Belleville.
Alright. Good job, bud.
Yeah, what was that?
She did so I stopped her. She flew down here, did a lap around in La Quinta, then stopped. Told her to turn the car off. She didn't turn it off. So I waited for you guys to get here.
Huh? Did you get her
It's under the car.
Did you get a beloved birch juice?
Huh?
You got a beloved birch juice?
Her glasses are so
Sorry, I pulled her off. I was trying to actually just turn it around and put her back on.
So was I, and then she's gonna go on the ground.
Is she drunk?
I don't know. I got here and she got out of the car whenever we walked up.
All right.
Yeah. I'd say maybe. I don't know.
It smells like vodka.
I don't know what sample smells like.
It says it's agave. I don't know what that is.
No, that smells pretty fruity. Presents? Is that?
She said she was delivering presents from Walmart.
Come on, pop the joint, see if that's it.
It's mentally ill.
Start coaching.
Yeah, go ahead. I appreciate it.
Is there a button?
Is there a button up there?
Oh, shit. Yeah. She was.
I don't know
She
why.
acted like an idiot.
I don't know why she needed to act like that.
Good. Do your hands, Corey.
She drove down Regency, got in the turn lane for La Quinta, drove past it, did a U-turn. Is that Copenhagen?
It's a little chew.
That's Little Chew. A fresh can of Copenhagen if you want some.
There's your work piece.
This is registered to a mail, so
She said she legit was trying to...
I don't know why she freaked out like that.
She's young, she's entitled. She's entitled.
Because she was driving down Regency, went to turn in, got in the turn lane for La Quinta, straight past it, pulled a Yui in that little entryway right here by this parking lot, lit her up for improper lane usage, and then she flew down, straight through, around, and then stopped here again. It was so strange. I don't know. We'll find out. She's getting no valid. She's getting no valid. She's got photo ID only. I'm just perplexed.
How old is she?
23.
Yeah, just young and dumb.
So,
They're both telling her to get back in the car. She wouldn't listen. And then, the rest is history.
I got her on Regency. She came in, did a lap around La Quinta.
I'm gonna try and calm her down.
Yeah, very quickly. Then stopped right here and wouldn't listen to my commands at all when I was trying to tell her to turn the car off. So I just waited until they got here. Resisting. She's no valid. Obviously, when we
Valid out of Florida.
was she valid out of Florida? I didn't hear that part.
Valid out of Orlando, I thought they said.
I'll double check. But right now it's resisting.
You don't have resisting, you have obstructing.
Maybe obstructing. Okay.
You didn't comply. Alright.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Was that the main cause of this?
Here's the thing, the only reason this many people are out here is when we actually take someone into custody that's resisting us, we have to actually try to do it without injuring you further. So it takes a lot of restraint from all of us. Okay? And honestly, the more people out here, the more of us that are out here, the more cameras are out here. So everything gets recorded. Alright? That's all. So in the future, if a police officer stops you, you need to stay in the vehicle until you're told otherwise. Legally. Okay? I understand it looks like you legitimately are just trying to do a job right now, but
Like, I don't even know. I was trying to contact Uber support, and I don't even know if they have some way to bring up everything that's in the trunk for the people upstairs. And does anybody have a person back here that they can identify for you?
Or
while I'm
just-
like answering your question?
We can try to arrange to get that to happen.
Yeah.
but
Is it on your phone? Like, can you do that?
Yeah, let me grab
we
your
can let
phone.
them come grab it.
Room 205 at La Quinta. We can have them come. Actually, it looks like it's going to be going to the 128. So over here at the Regency Manor.
Oh, it's at Regency Manor.
Yeah. So I just got mixed up. Yeah, I know. All right, here's a second, okay? On the phone.
It says to swipe it up, scroll down,
Scan
and then
barcodes.
scan barcode.
Okay,
And
thank
then
you.
You're gonna have to click and take a picture.
I will.
Make sure that the number is in the picture.
Okay. All right, room 205 at Regency Manor.
I don't know if she has to scan this or not, but we got it done, okay? She's got her stuff.
Just got the door with the property.
Hi.
Thank you. Yeah, it's gotta get towed. No, it's getting towed to the tow yard. Okay, we'll talk about
No. We will not talk about anything later. Where are you bringing
The
the vehicle?
vehicle-
I need to have a conversation with my husband before you bring the property.
The
anywhere.
vehicle is being-
Legally, I'm still buying this to him.
Okay. Vehicle is being towed. The vehicle is being towed. The vehicle is being towed to Cleats Towing.
I'm embarrassed for it.
All right.
You better not buy it.
It's
You
towed.
better not buy it.
It's towed. And
No, it is
yes,
not.
it is. The
Under
ve-
whose terms?
under the police department's terms. It is towed incident.
Is that Lincoln? Because
The-
you seem to be lying to me right
I
now.
am not lying to you,
You are
ma'am.
lying to me right now because I want to see you bring that to my vehicle, the apartment that it's supposed to go to.
It is going to the tow yard.
5769.
It is going to the tow yard.
352 5769.
Yes, it is.
I'm
Silver
asking a
GMC.
question. Where is the car going? Because it's not going to
Traffic
the
target.
tow yard.
Yes, it is. It's going to It's going to Cleats Towing.
I'm sorry, that's not predicting the future. I want to know the direct future right now.
It's going to Cleats Towing.
Absolutely.
138 Douglas Avenue in O'Fallon.
I'm sorry, what was your name?
My name's Officer Gonzalez. My badge number is 136.
And you're going the wrong way.
To what?
You're bringing the car.
All right, go and stand up. Follow me. Actually. You let me take those off of you or not? Whenever you go in here. Because you're about to go sit in a cell until you start cooperating with me. And you're just going to stay there until you let me do the stuff that we need to do. Like I said, all you need is your fingerprints, and I'm going to give you a ticket, and you're going to walk out of here. Okay? You're not.
How did I leave here with 3 fines?
You're
How?
getting one ticket.
No.
You're getting one ticket for obstructing. That's all it is.
The military obstructed me when they lied on their filing because I was trying to report Airman Tyler for the people. And they said that I was speeding when I was in a passenger seat. So I'm tired of listening to the police because all they do is act without thinking clearly and investigating what.
Like I said, I've explained everything to you, the entire situation. Okay? So, you're gonna let me take the handcuffs off or not? Can I take them off? Thank you. No? Okay, let's go. No, okay, come with me. No. No. She's gonna go sit in the cell until she lets me take the handcuffs off her.